What happens when DJI takes their surprise hit drone and puts it through the ultimate glow-up? After months of cryptic leaks, blurry test flights, and FCC breadcrumbs, the DJI Neo 2 is finally here. Whether you're a seasoned sky slicer or a backyard pilot with cinematic dreams, this is big. If the original Neo was 2024's underdog hit, Neo 2 just rolled in saying, "I've been hitting the gym and I brought upgrades." Let's get straight to the meat. First off, battery life. The Neo 2 packs an 11.6 watt-hour cell, roughly a 10% increase over the OG Neo's 10.4 watt-hour. That means longer airtime, fewer panic landings, and maybe, just maybe, enough juice to finish your golden hour mountain reveal shot before gravity wins. We're still waiting on DJI to give us the final flight time numbers, but if we're dreaming, expect 20+ minutes of airtime in optimal conditions. Add in what looks like a new vision positioning system and tighter obstacle avoidance, and suddenly this little drone is looking a lot like a miniature Air 3, minus the intimidation. DJI hasn't thrown the full camera specs into the sky just yet. But based on leaks and insider whispers, we're looking at a 1x1.3-inch CMOS sensor, possibly with dual ISO and better low-light capture. That means crisper sunrise shots, cleaner nighttime city flyovers, and footage that doesn't scream "I was filmed with a potato." Expect 4K 60 frames per second, 10-bit D-Log, and perhaps even some smart tracking AI that actually tracks instead of going rogue mid-flight. And for those of us who use drones as flying tripods for content, this thing is shaping up to be a vlogger's dream machine. Now here's where things get spicy. The original Neo launched at a wallet-friendly $289, and insiders are saying DJI is planning to keep Neo 2 under the $350 mark, which, in drone world, is practically giving it away. For that price, you're not just getting a toy, you're getting flagship-inspired features in a pocket-sized beast that won't make you cry if you crash it into a tree. DJI knows the budget market is blowing up, and they're planting their flag right in the middle of it. If you've been waiting to dive into drone life, this could be the perfect entry point. So, when can you actually get your hands on the Neo 2? DJI has confirmed pre-orders opening mid-August, with shipments beginning early September 2025, just in time for all your fall hiking, leaf peeping, and moody content creation plans. It'll likely come in 2 bundles: standard kit and a Fly More combo with extra props, batteries, and a snazzy carrying case that'll make you look like you actually know what you're doing. And here's a fun bonus. Rumors suggest this may launch alongside a mini FPV headset designed to pair with Neo 2. DJI might just be redefining the casual flyer kit. So here's the deal. The DJI Neo 2 is more than just an upgrade. It's DJI flexing its ability to pack innovation into a tiny, affordable package. It's the kind of drone that turns casual flyers into creators and makes pros rethink their backup rig. Whether you're filming travel content, chasing your dog through the park in slow motion, or just want to see the world from a bird's eye view without breaking the bank, Neo 2 is that move. Light, smart, and genuinely exciting, this might just be the sleeper hit of the drone world in 2025. If this reveal got you hyped, you know what to do. Drop a comment. Is the Neo 2 your next drone? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss our review, flight,